Hello beauties, welcome back to the channel. So today we'll be learning how to flat twist our hair. There are two ways to flat twist. There's a way you will flat twist that the twist will be facing forward, and the other one is that the twist will be facing backwards. And I'm going to show you how to do both, but I think I'm good at one particular one. So let's get right to it. First, you're gonna do a little two sections like that, then pass your hand through the first section and grab the section behind, just like that. Okay, and then you see they've switched sides. Now you want to do the same thing. That finger, you grab that section again. So basically you're just using that finger in front to make your paths as you go. This finger, yeah, using it to make your path, and that's what's going to guide you to doing your flat twist. You know, flat twist is not something you can get in a day. Do not let anyone tell you that you can get it in a day. It's not even something you can get in a week. Constant practice. If you can practice it every single day, you'll become good. Look, I've been practicing this for years, but obviously you can still say I'm not still perfect, but I'll keep doing it till I'm very good at it. Likewise should you. And as you can see, as we're going, the flat twist is not really showing. Remember at the beginning of the video I told you there are two types of flat twisting. The one the twist shows at the front, and the one the twist shows at the back. So this is the one that the twist is showing at the back. Now I'm going to show you how to make the one that the twist shows at the front. Here I was just trying to measure it, and no, I just measured it, if you understand. So you're just doing the same process, but this time around, instead of you know what, just watch the video. I don't know how to explain it. Now, as you can see, the twist is facing forward. If you're trying to make a style that requires the flat twist showing in front, you should go for this. But I think this works for me depending on the angle I am working with. I don't know. As you can see, it's difficult for me to do this front showing twist at the other side, and it's also difficult for me to do the back showing twist at this other side. Like, how does that science work? I don't know, but just look for what works for you and you can use that. So if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one. Have a lovely day. Bye.